I'm stood here in the middle of nature, and I'm calling out to you, my brothers, my sisters, all the fathers and the mothers and the sons and the daughters. I am telling you right here, as clear as I'm on your screen, on your phone or your computer or your tablet, as clear it is for me to hear God. And he's telling me that together, you and me, we can beat the prophecy. We can beat the Antichrist. We can turn and bring his kingdom down to earth. Because everything is here and everything is ready. All we need to do now is to unite. Not fight, but write, sing and rejoice. Use our words as swords and turn the land into fruit. Oh, has anybody ever heard the flute of Shiva? Oh, has everybody ever heard the song of Allah? Has anybody never nodded with the beat of God? I'm telling you as clear as I am here on your screen. I know what I mean when I say evolution over revolution. I know and I see it clear, the vision of heaven on earth. All that we need now is to unite. And in 2026, you and I, we can all make it together. And we can make it clear so that the Antichrist has to bow down and get on his knees. So we can save our brothers and sisters, so nobody has to die. So the children don't have to die. It's possible. And it's time. It's time for every single one of us to unite to this rhyme. It is time to say, no more dying, no more crying, and no more lying. We want the truth, and nature and God is our proof that we can unite without a bloody fight, but in harmony with the nature. One heart, one soul, one love, one religion, one faith, one humanity. All of us together, from left to right, from middle to centre and up and down, from east to west, from north to south. I am telling you, we can do it. We can do it together. And the Antichrist, the Antichrist, we're going to use his weapons. We're going to use his AI. We're going to use it all. Because if we reunite and we believe, we are stronger than anyone ever could be. They have no chance. Like I have shown by me alone, in God's might, nobody can stop me. Now together with you, my brother, and with you, my sister, we can change prophecy. We can change the story, and we can all live in God's glory. May his kingdom come. May his name be called out, and may it ring in all of our ears. And I thank you, Lord, for using me to use my tongue to spread your voice. Thank you, Lord, for letting me see through your eyes, hear through your ears, talk with your tongue and feel with your heart. And let me tell you, my brothers and my sisters, this is just the start. I'm wishing all the Christians a Merry Christmas and everybody else a peaceful loads of days. May nobody die for the next 10 days, except the ones who have to.